Quick tips, prop numbers. What the hell do they mean? I like purple props. I like purple props. These things rock. These things, I'm gonna build a quad that purple props go on because I got my 210 and I got red props on it and it looks good in red props, but it looks damn good in purple props. So those are going on it. And that's that. And as soon as I can find somebody who makes a blue prop that looks good, not some baby blue, weird sky blue bullshit, I'm gonna put that on my quad too. So anyway, prop numbers, what the heck do they mean? So the first number is a 5. That is the diameter across the spinning rotation of the blades. You measure across, 5-inch blade, bang, done. The next number is 4.3, and that's your prop pitch. If you look from the side, you can see that these are kind of pitched. They don't sit flat. And that kind of helps in the lift. So if you were to put this in a column, really it's creating a column of air, but if you could think of like a clear tube and put this in here, and as this spins unimpeded, it will put grooves into that column. And what we're gonna do is we're only gonna spin it 360 degrees. At the end of that 360 degrees, we're gonna measure from the end of the tube to the farthest place that this propeller cut a groove, and you're gonna get a number. That number is the second number that this prop has. So that will be 4.3 inches in 360 degrees of rotation. Finally, this last number is a 3. That just means 3 blades. If it's 2 blades, 4 blades. Easy, easy. If for some reason that it has the other numbers, I know there's a few other manufacturers that will use like a 50-43, if I'm using the same numbers as this one. That one's a little bit different in the way that you measure it. You need to see the prop because it doesn't have that final number, so you can't really tell unless you have a photograph or it's in front of you how many blades it has. But what you can tell is the diameter and the prop pitch. How you do that is you have 50, 43. We're gonna split that in half, so we got two numbers. We're gonna put a decimal point in between each of those numbers. So now you got 5.0, which is your diameter across the prop, and then over here you got 4.3. 4.3, that's your blade pitch. So it's the same measurement, it's just a different way of doing it, and I personally like the first way better. It's, written on paper, and if that's all you have, you know exactly what you're dealing with. The other one, you kind of need the photograph of the prop, or you need it physically in your hand. So again, that's just the quick and dirty on how to figure out what all those numbers mean. Hopefully this helps you in choosing which props you would like to run. I will get into varying pitch versus motor and motor KV. That's subject for another video. This is just a quick tips video to kind of help you guys out with just a quick video. You're here, you're looking for the information, there it is. So yeah, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.